How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to own a house at 18. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comments section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So there are a few things that you can do to own a house at 18. I will tell you guys right now that when I was 19, that's when I owned my first house. Me and my brother, we bought a house together when I was 19 and my brother was 20. So I'll go over with you a few tips on what I did to get that house. Now keep in mind, I could have had it at 18, but I waited a little bit longer just so I had more money for the down payment. So I definitely could have had it at 18, but I was smarter. I waited an extra year, but I'll tell you guys how to get this at 18. The first tip I will tell you is that you need to find a job. I never went to college straight out of high school. I went the trade route instead. So I guess it's still college. It's tech school. It's technically trade school. It's technically college because I went to a college to do it. So I guess you can say I went to college. I took electrical. So what I would do is I would work for a year, then I went to school for 2 months. My first 3 years of schooling were 2 months, and my last year of schooling was 3 months long. With that being said, I worked for a full year when I was 18 years old, and by the time I was 19 years old, I had enough for a big down payment by myself. But again, my brother did help me out because the house was 5 bedrooms, and it would be pointless for me to buy a house with 5 bedrooms if I only have one. So me and my brother, we bought it together. Very smart decision. But the house we wanted was 5 bedrooms, so me and my brother, we bought it together. Me and my brother always wanted to buy a house together, and we made our dreams come true when I was only 19 and my brother was 20. You need some way of getting money in order to get the house. So you don't need to go with the trade route. You can also get a labor job. Labor jobs are usually very tough, but they generally pay quite well. If you go this route, you can get a house quickly, but you need to save your money, you guys. You need to make a budget and stick with it and make sure you don't overspend each month. Trust me, saving money when you are at a young age is extremely smart and will set you up for the future. I guarantee you guys on this. Work hard when you are young, then when you're a bit older, you will have enough money and savings to live on forever. So again, a lot of young guys, what they do, even if a lot of them, they don't have a job, they don't have a good job, or they're working part-time, they don't really know the direction they're going, which is completely fine, but eventually you need to find something to do to make some sort of income. And if you guys want a house, the easiest way, in my opinion, is going the trade route. The trade route, you start off, you're going to be making some crazy money at a very, very young age, and then once you go to school, your pay will literally jump up. I know for every time I went to school, my pay raise was like $5 or $6 an hour increase every single time. So if you do the trade route, you will not be sorry, you guys. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.